Guys, it's raining. It's raining pretty hard. Whoa.
There we go.
That is a lot of rain.
Flowers.
Your flowers are getting rain. They're getting some wind, but they're getting some good rain.
Oh, that's a lot. Wow.
Look at the. Can you get the flowers in the picture? Go up.
Oh yeah, I just saw that
They're
lightning.
blowing sideways.
It's raining,
it's
it's
just lightning.
pouring, it's very loud. Whoa. The lightning. Oh my god. Ah!
It's my favorite glove.
Whoa. Whoa. It looks a lot crazier in real life. Whoa. Whoa. Ah, I can't hold on. I'm not getting wet. I just took a shower and I had my pajamas on. My pajamas. Whoa. Guys, look at the curtain. It was just...
Point it at that itchy right there.
You did not about to spill me having.
Yeah, it is coming in hard. We have like this certain thing.
All I know is,
Yeah. A lot of crazy weather.